Hello everyone. Today we talk about a statics problem. This is a homework from a university to a first year student. Here we have a beam. In the middle of the beam there is a force down F. And the beam is supported on one end at point A, and here there is a cable here and also a cable here. Now this is one continuous cable. CED is a one continuous cable. And this cable can only support a tension of 800 pounds maximum. If the tension is more than that, it will break. When the tensions on this cable is 800, what is the force F? That's what we want to find. And also, what are the reaction forces at joint A? So we want to find these things. Okay. First, let's find some dimensions. The distances are measured all in feet. 2 feet here means from here to here. This 2 feet is not from B to E, not from B to E. From B to this, along the rod. Okay. I want some dimensions for this triangle. Let's call this point, let's label this point, say G. Okay, so let's label this point G. Okay. From here to here is 2. Let's draw a line. So this is 2 now. Because this is 5, this is also 5, so the length of the rod is 10 feet. This part is 2, therefore this part is 10 minus 2 is 8 feet. From here to here is 8 feet. Let's connect G and E. Then you will see G, E, B is a straight line. And also G, A, B, E, G. This is a triangle in the vertical plane. So let's concentrate on this triangle. The base of the triangle is 10. The height is 5. So what is the hypotenuse? So you use Pythagoras theorem. GB is Pythagoras theorem. GB is square root 5 squared plus 10 squared. So this is This is 25 plus 100. And it is 125. Can be written as 25 times 5. 125 is 25 times 5. Therefore, this is equal to 5 square root 5. 5 square root 5. This is 5 square root 5. Let's find how long is EB. Now you see this triangle, big triangle, 5 here, 10 here. 10 is 2 times 5. Look at this triangle. This is 2. Then how long is this? It has to be 1, is it? Because this triangle and this triangle are similar triangles. Therefore, the ratio of the sides are equal to each other. This over this is 1 over 2. Therefore, this side over this side is also 1 over 2. Therefore, this is 1 foot. And this is 2 feet. This is 1 foot. So how long is EB? Again, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. So EB is, this is 1, this is 4, so it's 5, it's square root 5. Okay. Then, how long is GE? Then GE is GB minus EB. So this is 5 root 5 minus root 5 is equal to 4 root 5. Do you follow? From here to here is 5 root 5. From here to here is root 5. Therefore, from here to here is 4 root 5. Now, I need to work on the forces. So I need to erase something. Okay, this is GB. So I repeat the GB here, so I can erase this. Oh, okay, GB is there. Maybe I need to erase this part. Just remember, I want to find what F is, and I want to find the reactions at point A. So let me erase this. Also remember, this is 800 pounds. I need to draw this triangle here, CDE. Okay. The tension here is 800 pounds. Tension here is also 800 pounds. So I have 800 pounds here. Remember the dimensions. This is 4, and this is 4 root 5. Okay. Now this force is 800. This force is 800. What is the vertical component and horizontal component here? So I have a vertical component here and a horizontal component. So this is 800. What is this then? Then it's obviously 800 This is 800 cosine theta. I label this angle theta, then this component is 800 cosine theta. What is cosine theta? Cosine theta is this side divided by this side. So this should equal to 800 times 4 root 5 over this. This is the square root of this plus square root of this. So, oh no, this is square root of this square plus this square. Okay. 4 square plus 4 root 5 square. This is 800 times 4 root 5 square root. 4 square is 16 plus 16 times 5. This is 800. The numerator is 4 root 5. The denominator is 16 can be square root out. That's 4. And this is root 6. Please look at this. Calculate this in your mind. Calculate this. It should be this. 4 and 4 cancels. So this is my answer. The component in this direction is this. But I also have 800 here now. And the component in this direction for this force is again this magnitude. Therefore, this 800 and this 800 together, the resultant is 2 times this. Let me repeat. The resultant of 800 here and another 800 here is 2 times this component, so it is 2 times this. Okay. Now I can redraw this diagram. I have combined 800 here and 800 here, and the result is this. Okay. We have this. Remember, this component and a similar component here is equal and opposite. They cancel each other. So the resultant is only in the direction CG. So let me make this simpler. The result is 2 times this. I simplified my drawing. There is a force of this magnitude in this direction. Do you follow? Once you follow up to this point, then it is quite simple, because now this rod is acted on by two forces. One is this, another one is F. And the rod is in equilibrium. The rod is not moving. So this is a problem of statics. Yeah, it's not dynamics, it's statics. Now we reduced the problem into a simpler diagram like this. How do I find F? Use moment. The moment of this force about A should equal to the moment of this force about the same point, but these two moments is in the opposite directions and cancel each other. So that's what we do now. You can resolve this force into this component and this component. Okay. This component has a moment about point A because there is a perpendicular distance. This is the perpendicular distance for this component. But this component has zero moment about point A because this component passes through point A. So there is no moment. So I need to find this component. This component is this force times the sine theta. Okay, so what is sine theta now? So I use this diagram. Sine theta is what? Okay. Let me erase this. I need to erase this. Okay. Let's see. No, I need to redraw this, okay? So now I have this. This side is 2. And this side is 1. What is sine this angle? So sine, what angle do I call it? Did I have the, I have the theta. Theta is different from this. So let me call this alpha. So I need to sine alpha times this. But let's see what is sine alpha. Sine alpha is 1 over this. 1 over this. This is square root 1 square plus 2 square. So this is 1 over root 5. Sine theta is 1 over root 5. So the moment of this force is, let me write, where do I write? Okay, so the whiteboard is not big enough, so I have trouble writing the things on the same whiteboard. So I need to erase something when I go on. That is a little bit inconvenient for you, but I hope you can follow. So I don't want this. Okay. So this force times this is multiply. Everything is multiply times the sine, which is 1 over root 5 this is this. This is the component force. This is the force. And then you multiply the distance between A and B, which is 10. And this is perpendicular distance. So this is a moment. This is a moment. Force times perpendicular distance is a moment. And this moment is balanced by the moment of F. What is the moment of F? F times the arm perpendicular distance is 5. From this I can find F. And F is what I want to find. So let's do this. Root 5 cancels. 5, 10 cancels, I get a 2. So what is F? Okay, again I need to erase. Sorry for that. The whiteboard is not big enough. So F is just this part. And see here, 2 times this. So F is 2 times this is this divided by root 6. So this is pound. Okay. So I have this answer now. What is the reaction at A? At A, I have two components. One is a vertical reaction, and another one is horizontal reaction. So force at A X. What is it? Force at AX must cancel this force. Therefore, it is 1600 times cosine this angle. Okay, I call this angle, I use alpha. So this means cosine alpha. And cosine alpha is is 2 divided by root 5. Okay. So this is it just happened this horizontal reaction force is equal to this force. It just happens that way, all right? Yeah. Yeah. What is the reaction force at point A? Y. Y has to be, I have three Y's. One is the reaction at this, and this is Y force, this is Y force. So this plus that equals this. So this plus that equals this. Therefore, this is force minus that. So it's a force minus, minus this. This is the sine alpha component. So minus 16005.6. This is multiply. And sine is 1 over root 5. So this is this minus this cancels that. And this is equal to 1600. So the y component at point A is this. And this is just half of this, you see. So that answers our question. Very sorry for the inconvenience of the whiteboard. My whiteboard is too small. So I need to erase something whenever I want to continue my work. Erase and continue, erase and continue. Sorry for that. Okay. That's the end of today's lesson on statics. Yeah, this is a homework from a university in Ottawa. Okay. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.